Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've been getting a lot of requests from people who wants to learn JavaScript or people who want to still master JavaScript to an in-depth level. So they've been asking me between Jonas course on JavaScript and Traversy course on JavaScript, which one should they take? I've made a course review on JavaScript course by Brad Traversy. It's on my YouTube channel. You can check it out. So today I want to do the JavaScript course review by Jonas Schmedtmann. So today now I'm here on my desktop right now. So on this search bar, let me go to Udemy. So right here, I love this card, new. Okay, so let's check out this search bar. Let's search for new. He's a popular instructor, of course. Look at it here, Jonas Schmedtmann, if I can pronounce that right. So like he has taught total of 1.8 million students. He has 407,000 reviews. That's a whole lot. So look at his other courses that he has here. But look at when we're actually interested in this one. The Complete JavaScript Course 2024 from zero to expert. So the modern JavaScript course for everyone. Master JavaScript the project, challenges and theory, and many courses in one. 4.7 reviews. We have 193 ratings. That's a whole lot. And 856 students on this particular course, man. That's a whole lot. He's really doing a lot helping people with this course. So here in my country, Nigeria, that's I'm making this video from. So the course is 34,900. So let's see how much it is in dollars. Let's go here. Let's say the 34. Okay, I've checked for it before. 34,900 NG. So this is about 44.19 US dollars. So let's see what you will learn from this course. Become an advanced, confident, and modern JavaScript developer from scratch. Okay. Become job ready by learning Java, how JavaScript really works. Okay. JavaScript fundamentals, modern OOP classes, asynchronous JavaScript, modern tools for 2022 and beyond. Get fast and ready support in the Q&A. That's if you get stuck. Build beautiful real-world apps. Okay. How to think and work like a developer. Okay. Problem solving skills. Wow, that's nice. Modern EX6 from the beginning. Arrow functions. Complex concept like this keyword. High order array functions. How to architect your code using flowcharts, practice skills with 50 plus challenges. That's a whole lot of 50 plus challenges, man. I love that. So let's see companies that offer this course to their employees. We have NASDAQ, WordPress, Boss, NetApp, and all of that. So then this is the course content here. First one, have welcome. This is where here read before you start, things you need to know, where he will brief guys now. JavaScript fundamentals, where we look at JavaScript history, introduction of JavaScript, values and variables, the data types, length and counts, operator, and all of that. So there's challenges here which you would take out. So this is the part 2 of the fundamentals, functions, function declarations and expressions, arrow functions, function calling other functions. So also have what challenges, basic array operations or methods are here. Now how to navigate this course, okay, is here developer skills and editor setup, learn how to code, how to think like developer. This is more like where he share his insights. Yes, of course, he also added something there, JavaScript and CSS crash course. Of course, if maybe you don't have basic background on HTML, CSS, he actually did a crash course on it. I'll make you get a grasp of what's happening there. So you don't need to actually be a guru or know much about HTML or CSS. You can actually start from here and learn from this crash course here. Now have JavaScript in the browser. We have the DOM and event fundamentals, manipulating CSS styles. We have the DOM and DOM manipulation, selected and manipulate items, handling click event, and all of that, working with classes, rolling the dice and everything. So have how JavaScript works behind the scenes. We have JavaScript engine and runtime, scope, scoping in practice, hosting, this keyword in practice and everything, data structures. We have the structuring, arrays, objects, thread operator, rest pattern and parameters. We have looping and all of that. So that's a whole lot. Then we have a closer look at functions. So default parameters, first class and higher order functions, the call and apply function methods and all of that. So we also have more of them here. Advanced DOM and events, asynchronous JavaScript, edges, sync wait, map and all of that. So this is something you just need to take your time and check out. See the requirements. No coding experience is necessary. Of course, like I said before, you don't have to be an expert. You just have to start from this. You just need your computer, and any operating system will work, whether Windows, Mac, or Linux. Just need to set up the editor there, and you are good to go. Then, the last but not the least, basic understanding of HTML and CSS will be a plus for this. So now look at the description I will have here. The best-selling JavaScript course by Udemy, on Udemy, I meant to say. Really, really well-made course. Super in-depth with great challenges and project that will solidify your JavaScript understanding. I found the lectures were paced perfectly. Jonas didn't skip over anything that might be useful to a JS developer. That's a good one. So let's look at JavaScript here. So JavaScript is the most popular programming language, of course. I started my journey as a JS developer. I learned JavaScript first. Though it was not easy for me, but I'm glad at least I know some of the basic concepts. So it powers the entire modern web. It provides millions of high-paying jobs all over the world, of course. And that's why you need to learn JS too. So why is this course right for you? Let's read a little. This is the most complete and in-depth JavaScript course on Udemy and maybe the entire internet. It is all in one package that will take you from very fundamentals of JavaScript and all the way to building modern and complex applications. That's nice. So why am I the right JS teacher for you, JavaScript teacher for you? My name is Jonas. I'm an experienced web developer and designer, one of Udemy's top instructors. I have been teaching this best-selling course since 2016. Man, that's a lot. To 850,000 students, to 850,000 developers, also listening to feedback and understanding exactly how students actually learn. Okay, so this was he covered, building 5 projects, which we talked about earlier at this very top and everything. So it's still here, and this is what is there: HD videos, professional English captions, downloadables, starter codes, slides too that you download. Now, who is this course for? Take this course if you want to gain a true and deep understanding of JavaScript. I said it before. Take this course if you have been trained to JavaScript and one, still doesn't even understand JavaScript or still doesn't feel confident to code real apps. Then take this course again if you are interested in learning JS library or framework like Angular, React, Vue, Node, and all of that. Take this course if you're already in JavaScript and looking for advanced concept or advanced course. This course has it. Take this course if you want to get started with programming in JavaScript. So guys, so this is the course here. So this is everything. What's all that I've said here. 16.5 hours on demand video, 8 coding exercises that you do, 22 articles, 18 downloadable resources. You can access this on your mobile and TV. Full lifetime access. Once you buy it once, you can access it anytime, and you just one-time payment, you're not paying anything again. And certification at the end of the training and everything. So guys, this is it. So between Traversy and Jonas Schmedtmann and Jonas Schmedtmann, I can't even pronounce, I'm sorry about that. So between Traversy Media and this course, which one do I prefer? Well, if you ask me, both of them go well. But to me, I started with Udemy, with Traversy. I've seen people who actually started out with this course and they are doing pretty well for themselves. So if you're out there watching, and if you want to go for a Jonas course, no problem. Want to go for Brad Traversy course, no problem. It all depends on you. It all depends on who you feel you want to go with. The end goal is to what? Is to learn and master JavaScript. So guys, this is it for the course review. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, support the movement, because I'll be dropping videos every week. So be free to check me out. So tell me what you think about the video. Leave a comment on this comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. At least with your feedback, I will know where to improve and I will know what to do next. All right, thanks for watching guys. Once again, I'll see you guys on the next one.